So I wanted to jump on here and get a little bit vulnerable with you for a moment. I wanted to share part of my story because if you're a high functioning woman and you're living with burnout or overwhelm or exhaustion, I want you to know that you're not alone and you're not broken. So for me, growing up as a child, I was anxious and overwhelmed. I lived in my head constantly, overthinking, overanalyzing, and worrying. On the outside, I looked capable and calm, but on the inside, it was a very different story. I guess you could say my nervous system was on high alert, and my parents did the best they could, but there wasn't much emotional support in my family. And from a young age, I learned to self manage and self soothe and keep my thoughts to myself. And I never really shared what I was going through, thinking, or feeling. And I became the kind of person who coped quietly and carried everything alone. And then in my teens and early adulthood, that constant pressure turned into anxiety, depression, and a deep sense of emotional isolation. And then in my 20s, it showed up as an eating disorder. I saw therapists, I took medication, I tried to fix myself, but the underlying overwhelm and exhaustion never really lifted. You could say I was high functioning, but I was internally depleted. I used food and then alcohol to numb the overwhelm because I didn't have the tools to truly regulate my nervous system and to feel safe in my body and my mind. And then at age 38, after leaving a domestic violence relationship, I was diagnosed with PTSD. That breaking point really became a turning point in my life. And that's when I found clinical hypnotherapy, and it changed my life. For the first time, I wasn't just talking about my problems, I was working directly with my subconscious mind and my inner patterns, and I was dissolving, collapsing, and resolving them. I was releasing the survival patterns, the perfectionism, the hypervigilance, and the people pleasing that had driven my burnout and my overwhelm for years. And this experience didn't just heal me, it woke me up. I realized how many high functioning women are praised for coping while silently suffering underneath. Then later, during late perimenopause, I was diagnosed with ADHD, and suddenly everything made sense. The overwhelm, the insomnia, the chronic stress, and the misdiagnosis. At that time, I was also living with an autoimmune illness and severe burnout. I was burnt out both physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. But this time, I had the tools. I recovered from burnout not by pushing harder, but by working with my nervous system, my subconscious mind, and my own inner resources. And today I'm calmer, I'm clearer, I'm more energized, I'm more deeply connected to myself and my purpose. And I do this work because I know what it's like to be the capable one, the strong one, the one who keeps going into your body and soul. Say no more. So if you're a high functioning woman who feels exhausted, overwhelmed, disconnected from yourself, please know this. There is a way out of burnout and overwhelm, and it doesn't require you to break completely in order to heal. So I wanted to share this part of my story because if any of it resonates with you, you don't have to walk this journey alone. If you feel called, you can DM or comment the word soul. I'd love to connect with you and support you with whatever you're facing. Just remember, you're not broken, and there is a way forward.